Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. This is Jay. I'm coming to you with a Dollar Tree Valentine's haul. I was able to go and look around at the Dollar Tree, and they were just beginning to put out some of the Valentine stuff. And I had a few projects that I wanted to make and also work on a few cards. So the first thing I found was this table scatter. And it has hearts in it, and the hearts are glittered, and it has the pink and the red ones. I bought it mostly for the pink ones. I bought these heart doilies. Now you can use these anytime you want. It says love and it has roses around it. You can use it anytime you want. I'm getting back into my mixed media, so I probably will be cutting them down and using them, and I also can use them in the projects. I found some of these fastener dots because I need those. These I thought were really cool. These heart grapevines. I have an idea for them, but I don't quite know if it's going to work. So I'm going to have to play with them to see what they work. You get 5 in the pack, and they're really nice. So, and they have wire on them to help them keep them shaped. So I'm going to play with those a little bit, and I want to play with it with some of that. What was that I bought? Some ribbons. I bought some ribbon, and I bought some. Now I can't think of what it is. It'll come back to me. As soon as it comes back to me, I'm going to tell it to you. So then I got these doorknob hangers. And the doorknob hangers are really nice. They have these nice little hearts at the bottom. And they have this really pretty ribbon on it with kisses with lips on it. And I kind of wish they had the lip ribbon at the Dollar Tree. So I don't know. I didn't buy it to use as a doorknob hanger. I bought it to take apart and use in my project. And this is a heart. I found 2 of the doorknob hangers. Let me see if I can find the other one. I bought 2 of them. There's another one over here. Wait a minute. I bought the pink one, and I bought the red one. And the red one has the same kisses on it, but they're pink. And they're really nice, and I like these little things, and I wanted to use them. So I bought them to take apart. I didn't buy them to actually hang on the door. I bought them to take apart. I found these coasters, and they're kind of just foam coasters. I wanted to use them a little bit for stencil and also use them in some other projects. They can also, it looks like it's a rose or something, so it could be like a card front or something like that. You could always use it. You could make it into a shaker, so it's a lot that you could do with that. I found this. It says welcome. And it's one of those long things like that. Now this I bought also. It says welcome, and it comes with the different hearts. And the bottom one says XOXO. Very pretty. But I bought them to take apart. I don't want to use it as a door thing. I want to use it for something else. That welcome is cute, and you can use that on a lot of different things. I was able to find the white felt hearts and also the small pink felt hearts. There's 12 of them in there. And remember, you can use your hearts any time of the year for anything. And so I wanted those. I found the little felt stickers that are cupcakes. And they're so cute, so I just picked them up. I'll find something to do with them. I found another one of these stickers, these heart stickers that you can use on all kinds of things. I found this ribbon. It's 9 feet, and it's pink, pretty pink, that I can use, and I'm kind of thinking about it for those little hearts, see what I could do with them. I like that. I found this little this headband. I thought it was kind of cute. I work from home, right? And I'm always sitting at home doing something, and I'm thinking, I'm going to put that thing on my head and just wear it all day just to make me smile. And so my dogs can have something to look at. So when I'm saying something to them, they'll look up at this thing and go, what in the world's wrong with her today? So I want to get that, got that. I found this. I love these Dollar Tree wall decorations, and I got this one with the unicorn. And as you know, I always use these things for my planner stickers and stuff like that in our projects. So if you go there and you see these, pick them up. They're just really pretty cool. You can use them for a lot of different things, and that unicorn's just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. And I like the castle too. And then I found this one also. It's a space one. And I'm getting back into my mixed media, like I said. And I'm working in the Mission Inspiration group. So if you're looking for a group to do your mixed media, check out Mike Deegan's Mission Inspiration group. He does a thing every month where you get the prompts, tells you, you know, what kind of things to use, stencils, paints, all kinds of stuff like that. And they give you what is it called? A prompt that says, okay, this month is about fantasy or something. This month is fantasy. So I think I'm going to use this guy in my fantasy thing. Or either if I don't use this guy, I think I want eye guy for my fantasy thing to use on that with his little friend with no eyes. Well, no, his friend's eyes are up there. So I think I want the two. I thought I wanted the spaceman, but I think I bought it for the eye guys, those guys. And I could always use something like that later, but we'll see. And if I finish it up, when I finish it up, I want to do it on camera so you can see it and kind of see how the group works. I don't think I have my, oh, here it is, just so you can see. See, it's from the Mission Inspiration. It's a Facebook group, and they give you the prompts, and they tell you what, you know, fantasy, imagining the impossible or the improbable. It gives you the colors to use in your paint colors or whatever colors you use. If you use inks or something, it tells you what ingredients to use, like a stencil, a torn book tacks, paint, a die cut, and a punch, and doodles. And so they do this every month, and I love doing it because it helps me get back into it and, you know, have my inspiration again. So anyway, so that's what I'll be doing also, and I'll show you how I work on those, and I'll probably bring them to you each month so you can see how I'm doing that, and maybe you want to play along with the group, and we can kind of do that. Thank you for joining me today for my Valentine's haul. Hope you're all doing well. I am looking forward to playing with all my Valentine's stuff. I love using the pink. The red's kind of good, but I'm kind of more into the pink this year. Thank you for joining me. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you've been to your Dollar Tree and you found some of this stuff or you like some of these things, tell me in the comments which one you like. Like and share this video. And if you're not a subscriber, press that subscriber button and subscribe. And it's good seeing you all today, and I'll talk to you soon in the next video. Bye, everyone.